Quality of lead kasi somehow it's subjective, no? Kasi kanya-kanya tayo ng perception kung ano ba talaga siya. Pero on our end, una, maganda ang profile. May mga buyers kami logo lang yung profile, pero
Oo.
gusto maganda yung profile nila, maganda yung profession. Number two, maganda yung conversation. Yung tanong nila, alam mong may sense. Hindi yung
Yes.
basta nag-reply lang. And number three is, alam mong interested sila, mahaba. Yun nga, yung conversation talaga. Once the inquirer have that kind of thing na okay naman yung niya, profile niya, okay naman yung conversation, tapos hindi mo na-close, that is already a quality lead. So, ito, assess namin yan. Ilan ba yung quality lead natin per day? Example, 25 times 30, 750 na yan. Let's say nakuha natin is around 20% quality lead. So, around 150, no? Sa 150 na quality lead, doon dapat natin ma-assess ilan ba yung na-close natin. Kasi, kung konti ang quality lead, meaning may problem sa ads. Pero pag marami ang quality lead, pero wala tayong na-close, may problem sa closer. Or either way, maybe maganda si closer, maganda si ad, maybe may problem sa season. Pwede rin yun.
Sa season kasi.
Minsan kasi maulan. Depende sa property mong binibenta.
Right.
Kasi yung iba, pag maulan, medyo mahirap ibenta kasi yung beach, medyo mahirap.
Tama.
Ganyan. Pero at the end of the day, pag okay yung leads, okay yung closing, si market darating na lang talaga eh. Kasi hindi mo naman control kung bibili sila or hindi. What we can control lang is how we cater them.